Hi guys, it's Charlene with Sweet Pieces by Me. Welcome back to my channel. And I know I had promised you guys some awesome tutorials, and I was going to do my 12 days of Christmas, 12 days before Christmas, but I did not count on getting COVID. So I've been sick, and now we have 5 days until Christmas. So I'm coming to you with 2 videos a day. I'm gonna see if I can squeeze them all in before Christmas. Last minute little gifts, little wrappings, little packages, things that you can use to help save your holiday and make it easy. If you have paper and some of these tools, you can create some quick, easy gift ideas. I'll be honest, these are not my original ideas, but I thought it'd be nice if they were all just in one place for you to go look. So I will post everything and post the links below to where I got the ideas. Most of these ideas came from Split Coast Stampers. And if you're not familiar with that site, it's a great site with tutorials and lots of projects and ideas. And this is going to be an elf shoe package. It's super cute. And I will show you how to put this together. The first thing you need to do is go to splitcoaststampers.com and search for elf shoe or elf shoe template. You're going to find this. And then we are going to cut this out. I can't find my large scissors, so I'm just going to use my snips. And I know for me, I like to do last minute little gifts for neighbors, teachers. You might already be on break like I am. Also, if you have an 1.5" circle punch, it'll cut this out right here. I have every single punch besides a 1.5" circle punch, so I'm gonna just fussy cut it the best I can. But you know, last minute gift card holders are always good because there's always a few people that you didn't think about, maybe like the babysitter or the dog walker, the trash recycle person, and you know, it's really nice to leave something out for them. So these videos, the next few days, my 12 days of Christmas, are gonna probably really save you. All right, so we're gonna take this little elf shoe, that's our template. I have a piece of green cardstock. You can use whatever green you like. I chose this green. It has a lighter side here. I'm going with the darker side. This is a 5x12 sheet. And we're just gonna, I have a scoring blade in here. We're just gonna score it right down the middle at 6 inches. And all the instructions are on the website for you. So that'll make it easy. Step-by-step instructions. So fold this in half. Okay. And then you're going to take your template here and you're going to trace it, and we're going to cut it out. Or you just cut it out. I'm going to trace it. Yikes. I don't want to mess it up. So, wow. And if you can always print on cardstock, make it a little easier to trace. Okay, and then you're going to leave that little fold in that. And you're going to go ahead and cut that out. And you know, if you don't have that circle punch, you're not going to get a crisp circle edge here, but that's okay. It will still look fine. Just do your best to cut it. Okay. And you got a nice little point here for the tip of the elf shoe. All right. Oops. Nice little rounded. There we go. Super cute. It's super cute. Okay. Oh, that's trash. All right. Next, you're going to get white glitter paper. I didn't have glitter paper, but I have this really pretty white pearl paper. So this is a cut at 6 inches. Actually, I don't think I cut it at 6. Cut it at 6 inches by 1 1/4. Oops, that is my score blade. So there's my cut line. Just cut that excess off. Save that for I'm gonna use that for the pom pom. So you take this 6 1/4, 6 by 1 1/4, which is gonna go right here, and you're going to put it in a scallop punch. If you don't have a scallop punch, maybe you have a scallop trimmer. This is going to be the white fur part at the top of the, whoops, obviously I have not used punches in a while. It's not going to be perfect, and that's okay, because when you're in a hurry and you're making a homemade gift, it is not going to be perfect. When you're not in a hurry, you can probably have perfection, but we're in a hurry. We got 12 days of gift ideas to cram into 5 days. All right, so then we're gonna glue this on, and I need to grab my tape real quick. And we are going to put this, actually, this is on my dark side. This is going to be my dark side I want on the outside. So we're going to put this on the outside, okay? So we're going to go ahead and I'm going to use, for this, I'm going to use this tear and tape, a little stronger adhesive than the regular adhesive. So I think that would be good if you have some type of, whoops, as I go off the shoe here. You have some stronger tape, that would be good. Okay. Oh my goodness. All right. And then you're just going to adhere this to the top there. Make sure it's all okay. All right, then when you fold it, you're gonna also put some adhesive. Well, before we get to that, for the pom-pom, I have a 7 1/8 scallop punch, and I'm gonna punch 2 of these. Okay, just one adjustment. I told you guys to cut this at 6 1/4, which I think it's about right. But if you want to make sure it goes all the way to the edges before you tape, I think I was too low. I was like looking at it, was looking weird. So you move it up so that it looks like the fur is right at the base of the elf shoe, which would make sense, right? So it's going to come up a little bit. You can trim that or leave it. I'm going to leave it because I don't think it'll affect the way my shoe looks. I might trim a little bit of it off. I don't know. I kind of like it. Looks fluffy. But what you want to do is trim this out so to continue your circle. So if you have that 1 1/2 inch circle punch, that would be good, or just do that. I mean, either way. I'm not looking for perfection. I'm looking for a quick, easy gift. So, and then you're going to want to use this strong tape again, or glue dots. And you're going to want to, we're going to put the toe parts together. So, a couple of pieces of this strong adhesive. I keep I keep getting, I'm not very good at this stuff. With sticky things. It's not good. All right. I know this looks awful, but you know, you're just adhering it so that it'll close. You don't need to worry about closing the top or the bottom. Just the tip of the shoe. This is what I have a problem with. So I use some sharp scissors to get under there. There we go. All right. Okay. So then you're gonna close it, and I just make sure it lines up. So that'll look nice. And then you have like this little pocket. Okay, little pocket for your treats. And then you do want to put the little pom-poms on. Kind of finishes it out. So again, I'm going to use the strong tape. Put that on, we'll put it here and on the back side. And the sample on the website shows putting like kind of like Oreo cookies in there, or like their maybe peppermint patties. I don't have either of those. That would fit probably pretty good in, I guess it depends on the size container, the size cello bag that you have. For me, let me get this on here. Okay, I'm gonna do one side at a time because I'm really fumbling today. I don't know why. I'm like all over the place. I don't want the tip of it to show, so I'm trying to get it just right on there, and then I can match up the back. There we go. If you have any excess, you can just trim it off or whatever. Rub it off or, okay. There we go. All right. So there's my shoe. It's so cute. I have Stampin' Up! Cellophane bags. They are size 2 by 8. These are great for skinny things, or nuggets, Hershey's Nuggets or Hershey's Kisses. I happen to have some Hershey's Kisses here, and they are Grinchy ones, which I thought would be so cute because they match the green. And how cute would this be for a neighbor gift? Because they're not, you know, I mean, it's cute and it's candy. So, and then I just kind of put them in different colors. You can alternate. That'd be really cute. I love this. Look at those little guys. They're so cute. So then a green, and then maybe a red. And oops, I kind of have them like not upside down, so let's try to put them in, and then they kind of looks kind of cute like that too. It's like a pattern here. So oops, and he's gonna go upside down. There we go. I didn't know that they did that, but when you put them in, but that looks kind of nice. And that's probably good. Then I'm gonna, I didn't really think about the top part. You can tie that shut with a cute bow. For times, yeah, you know what? I'll go ahead and do that. This cello bag is a little small for this shoe. So what you could do is, I am gonna seal this part right here. If you had a larger cello bag, you may not need to seal this part of the shoe, right? Because your bag is gonna be wide and fit there. I didn't really know what I was gonna use, so that works. Okay. Kind of hard to do after, but there. All right. So I have some really pretty ribbon, some red ribbon. You may have noticed this. This is an older Stampin' Up! Ribbon. Not available anymore, but And I'm just gonna tie a quick little bow here. It's cute. And then there you go. And there's that. But it's not done yet. I really like this ribbon, and I think it dresses it up, but I want to put some other ribbon here. So you could just use red, and you could just put it, you can just go around, so it has like a trim. I think I'm gonna do a little bow. So I'm just gonna make a bow, quick bow. Oop, it's all tweaked. It's not very pretty. Like I said, we have to cram these gifts in, right? We're fast. We're trying to get things done. Get it made, get it sent off, shipped out. See if I cut my ribbon right. Nope. Okay. Struggle pants, right? I mean, you can probably sit here and make it perfect, but for me, when I do handmade, it's not perfect, and that's okay. So my bow is not oh my God. I don't know why my scissors are not, I mean, did I somehow dull them? They're not being very cooperative. Okay, and then if you have some glue dots, that'll be the best thing to stick this bow on. So, let's see. Okay. There we go. I think I'll put it right there. Awesome. There's your quick day one gift packaging. So it'll stand up. It'll be super cute. You can put a gift tag on it, whatever treats you like. Anyway, join me in my next video for day 2, which technically it's the same day. We're squeezing in another video, another gift package for this Christmas season. Thanks for watching, guys. Have a great day.